In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get TickPick promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, TickPick is an online website where you can buy tickets for concerts, sports, and etc. Now you might be wondering on how you can get a discount. Well, first of all, you're gonna head over to your web browser and search up TickPick promo code. And once that is done, you're gonna head over to the first website, wethrift.com, and you're gonna click on it. Alright, so once you're on the website, you're gonna see that these are the codes for September 2023. So for this month. And the first one is 15% off orders above $99. And as you guys can see, this coupon was used almost for 15,000 times. And the success rate is 58. So it might work or might not work. But you can still give it a try. So you can click show code, which will automatically copy the code. So that's the code MADD15, and you can use this code whenever you're about to check out your stuff. So you can click this, you can use this promo code there, and you might get a 15% discount. Similarly, there are many other codes. For example, this has an 89% success rate, so it's most likely gonna work. So you can click copy code, and it's automatically gonna copy, and then you can go and give it a try on your checkout. You can also export other codes here, and you can give each of them a try if you want. Now let's head over to some other website and I'll show you a few more codes. So there's this website, Coupon Follow. You can click on it. Alright, then you're gonna see many codes here as well. So first of all is $20 off instantly. So you can click on this and you can use the code. So TP20 is gonna give you a $20 off. Then you can copy, click continue to TickPick, which is gonna redirect you to their website, and you can use this code on checkout. So you can also export many other codes here. And yeah, so alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.